Today's video from Shop Stuff. We're taking a look at the ER260BEJ register from Sam4S. So it comes with a standard mains cable. Plug it in. There's a rocker switch on the side for turning the machine on or off at the end of the day's trading or the start of the day's trading. As standard with most Sam4S cash registers, you get a bunch of keys included. The theory of the keys is it gives manager control over what mode you're in, so you may hand out an REG key only to your staff so they can do sales, and then keep back the other keys for refunds, voids, reporting and programming. I'll do another video showing you the base in more detail, but it does come with a full-size metal base and full-size cash drawer insert, so that's 4 note holders and 8 coin holders. We've got a printer cover here which lifts off easily. You've got a spool, so it's only got one printer, it's a thermal printer. You can use the machine in spool mode or in the receipt mode. I've got this one set up in receipt mode, so I can set it to give receipts with every transaction, or it's really easy to switch the receipt off and then issue receipts on request if a customer requests one. So if we stay in the reg mode and look at basic operation, really easy to sign in. You've got 15 PLU buttons here, so most businesses would use these for their sales, so they can either be open PLUs, so just maybe if you're running a pharmacy, you'd have 3 of them used for your different tax rates. You can preset them to be items, so preset with a description and price, and it's really easy to sell them through there. If you need more than 15 PLUs, you've got a PLU button here, and then you simply type in your PLU number and then press the PLU button and it sells them like that. You've got a multiply button, so maybe 10 multiply and then a certain PLU, and it sells 10 lots of those. I think on the tills memory you've got up to 1,000 PLUs, which is like way over the top for a machine of this level, but that just shows you the memory capacity of the machine. So the way, if you're familiar with Sam4S cash registers, the 260 fits in the range between the 180 US and UL, which is the basic entry-level machine, and then comes before the NR500s. So if you're looking at barcode scanning, I'd be looking at the NR500s to start with, as they have up to about 5,000 scanning lines on them, but I'll do a sales video on those as well, which you can check out. So when you've entered all your items in the sale, subtotal, you've got the traditional 3 tender buttons: cash, check, charge. Obviously check's a bit old hat. You still need a cash button despite everything that's going on, and then for credit card payments most people would use the charge button. The reason why the method of payment is crucial is that it shows this on your end of day report, so when you're doing your till reconciliation at the end of the day, you'll have one total for cash in drawer and then one total for charge in drawer. It's possible you can correct mistakes really easily, so there's a clear button if you've made a numeric entry error. If you've entered the wrong item, there's a void key which allows you to quickly take it off. You can also cancel a sale if you've made too many transactions. I'll just show you the receipt function. If we process that sale, I've got receipt switched off the standard obviously, but I can press cash to issue a till receipt. So I've just programmed in 3 lines of header message. You can have up to 6 headers, and also you can have 6 footer lines as well. It's fairly straightforward this to do. Obviously if you're looking on our website, we sell all the tills on either a programmed platinum gold service or the bronze cash and carry price, I guess. So we'd always recommend ordering on platinum, because it means we program the till for us. Effectively you fill in some pieces of paper telling us what to do. We program your receipt header, we program your 15 PLU buttons, and also take off the caps and personalise them so it says your product on the button. So this one would say Stoke Carling, this one would say Stofords, this one would say VAT, and so on and so on. That's on the platinum service, and then on the gold service we just do the programming for you. So what else do you need to know about the machine? Explain about the cash drawer, the printer. The only thing I don't like about it is the display, I guess, is a bit small, so you can't see all your items. That's a preset value on the charge button. Yeah, it's not possible to toggle through and see the different items, so I guess that's a limitation of the machine, but all the items are shown on the till receipt. The other modes you've got the X mode for manager control, so for setting stuff up like the trading mode, and for non-resetting reports. We have a quick look at your Zed reports. Yeah, we'll go straight into Zed. You can run reports by financial, which is the standard one, by hour, by PLU, so you can have a look at what your popular PLUs are, by group or by operator. PLUs you can run daily or over a period of time, so that's basically showing you the number of each PLU you've sold over a given period of time. There's more of those reportings in the Zed mode. We take a look at the standard financial report. So this is the type of report you'd run at the end of your day's trading, so it's timed and dated. She splits your sales down by tax, and then also shows the sales by cash in draw. That's one limitation, I guess. On other machines you can see the sales by item or by department or grouping at the same point you do your standard Zed, whereas on this you'd have to run a separate report, but I don't think that's too much of an issue. So yeah, that's the ER260. Decent machine from Sam4S. Always finish by turning the key back to the reg mode. As I say, if you're considering ordering from shop stuff, we'd recommend ordering it on the Platinum service because it's pre-programmed and then it's fully supported. If you've already ordered one and you're looking for assistance on how to set the machine up, check out sam4shelp.co.uk for all your video support. Thanks for watching.